In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Map View in ClickUp. ClickUp is a powerful project management tool that helps you and your team stay organized and on top of your tasks. One of its standout features is the Map View, which allows you to visualize location-based tasks on an interactive map. Whether you're managing field teams, planning site visits, or simply keeping track of geographically distributed work, this feature can make your workflow much more efficient. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your browser and head over to www.clickup.com. Once you're there, log in using your preferred method. You can sign in with your email, single sign-on, or even a connected social account. If you're new to ClickUp, you can find a sign-up link in the description below to create your account. After you've logged in, make sure you're in the correct workspace. If you have multiple workspaces, take a moment to confirm you're working in the one that contains the tasks you want to view. Now look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is your sidebar, and it's where you'll find all your spaces. Spaces are essentially areas where tasks are grouped together within your workspace. From here, select the space that contains your location-based tasks. At the top of the screen, you'll notice a few default view options, like List, Board, or Map. If you see the map view already listed, go ahead and click on it to open. If the map view isn't visible, don't worry. You can easily add it by selecting the plus sign at the top to create a new view. From the available options, select Map View, and it will be added to your space. Once your map view is open, you'll be able to see your tasks plotted on the map. These are based on the address or coordinates associated with each task. If you don't see certain tasks showing up, it may be because their location data hasn't been added. To fix this, check for a custom field labeled location or address in your task details, add or correct the address information, and the task should appear on the map. Now that your tasks are visible, you can use the map controls to pan and zoom around the area. This allows you to explore different regions and get a closer look at specific locations. If you see clusters of pins in one area, zoom in further to expand and reveal individual task pins. Clicking on a pin will open a quick preview of the associated task. This preview typically includes important details like the task title, the assignee, the due date, and the current status. To make your map easier to scan at a glance, you can adjust the color settings. For example, you might set the pin colors to reflect task statuses or priorities, helping you quickly identify what needs attention. At the top of the map view, you'll also find filters. These are a great way to focus on specific tasks. For instance, you can filter tasks by due date, such as those due this week, or by the person they're assigned to. Play around with the filters to customize the view to your needs. Finally, use the map view to evaluate how well your field teams are covering different areas. You can plan site visits in a logical sequence based on location, or even identify gaps where no tasks are currently assigned. This is an excellent way to optimize your operations and ensure everything runs smoothly. And that's it. You've just learned how to use the map view in ClickUp to manage your location-based tasks. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.